Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my CVS couponing haul for the week of January 19th to January 25th. Now I had two issues at the store, and one of the issues, they did not want to honor me the $5 in extra bucks. So first issue was on the soft soap body wash. There's a whole bunch of clearance tags on the body wash, but they were all ringing up regular price for $4.99. Now, the cashier did know about the issue because she rung up someone earlier and had the same issue. And she honored them a $5 extra buck. Now, the manager was at the register. She rung up my soft soap. It didn't ring up for $3.99. They rung up for $4.99. So she said, I'm just going to price overwrite them to $3.99. And I will issue you the $5 in extra bucks. Now, the manager stopped her right there and told her we cannot honor her the extra buck because they're on clearance. So she said they're on a promotion for buy three, get a $5 extra buck, and they're not ringing up clearance items at all. So they're actually not on clearance. The signs were wrong. So he was trying not to give it to me. I'm like, well, you have to honor it to me because I did buy three of them. And the tags are on, there was just one tag, honestly, for the buy three, get five, and then everything else was clearanced out. So he tells me, we can do it for you this time, but we're not going to do it again for you next time. So I was like, okay, whatever. He's just like the really, really mean manager that really doesn't like couponers. So I'm glad I got my $5 back, but he was trying not to give it to me. Another issue was with the L'Oreal Elvive. So the ones that I picked up were tagged wrong. They were tagged 2 for $8. The little bottles of the leave-in conditioner, those are actually priced at $6.99 each. So those are not included in the spend 15 get 5 and on sale 2 for $8. So I just picked up 2 more of the Elvive shampoo and conditioner. Now, this is my first transaction here. I split up my transaction so it can be easier for the cashier. The cashier at that store is like 80-something years old, so I tried to take my time with her, and she's super, super sweet. But the manager, oh, I cannot. So this is my second haul. This is my second transaction here. So let's jump right into this. Everything worked out with no issues. Those were the only 2 issues that I had. Now, we did get some instant coupons. We got the $3 for Maybelline. We got $1 for Dove, I believe, or $2, something like that. And we got a $5 for Revlon. Now, I am going back to shop on this card because I want to do the boost deal, because I wanted to see if my trip was going to become a moneymaker. So I'm definitely going to do the boost deal. I have a L'Oreal scenario for you guys as well. So I will be going back to do boost and the L'Oreal deal. And there was one more deal I wanted to take advantage of. So I'm definitely going back for this card. And I still haven't shopped my second card. So I will be doing that tomorrow. And I'll bring you guys my second CVS haul. So in that card, I have some really, really good CRTs. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on the CoverGirl. So CoverGirl, I picked up these 2 right here, the Exhibitionist Mascara and the Twin Brow Pencils. So these are spend 15, get a $7 extra buck. I picked up one of the Exhibitionist Mascara, the one that I picked up for $10.99, rung up $11.99. And the Twin Brow Pencils was $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $17.98. I used 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 1.5 RMN. I had a $3 off CoverGirl Exhibitionist CRT, as well as a 3 off of 12 Cosmetic CRT. I had an app only for $1.50 off CoverGirl Mascara, making the total $4.48, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a $2.52 moneymaker. Now, the next deal is going to be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on a great promotion this week for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. And they're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I picked up one of the Maybelline Colossal Mascaras for $9.59. And I picked up one of the Great Lash Mascaras for half off at $3.49. So these are the 2 products that I picked up right here. Okay, so I used one of the $2 off 1 mascara from our 1.5 RMN. Remember, guys, those coupons are a limit of 1. I had a $3 off Colossal Mascara CRT, as well as a $2 off Great Lash Mascara CRT. The mystery offer that we got today was for $3, so I was super excited about that. making the total $308, but you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a $192 moneymaker. Now another deal, I just remember the other deal that I wanted to do was the Revlon, because we did get a $5 instant coupon. So we got the mystery offer again for Maybelline, and we got one for Revlon. So I'm definitely going back for that, because we can score some Revlon for free. So the next deal I did was on the Hallmark cards. These were on a great promotion for buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. And you have to pick up the cards that are $2 and up. So I picked up 3 of them for $2 each, making them $6. So the small ones right here are the ones that were $2 each. Then I picked up an additional 2 for 99 cents each. Reason why is because I had a $4 off 5 Hallmark CRT. So I used the 3 off of 3 from cvs.com/coupons. So make sure you print that coupon out and use it for the Hallmark cards, because they're going to be free for you with just that coupon. And then I used the 4 off of 5 Hallmark CRT, making the total 98 cents, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a $202 moneymaker. Now the next deal I did was on the Colgate Total Advance, and that's going to be the 3.4 ounce. So they're buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So I picked up these 2 right here. So these are on sale this week for $3.49. I picked up 2 of them for $6.98. I used 2 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from Colgate.com, making the total $5.48, but you're gonna get back $4 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice. So it worked out to $1.48 for both of them, or 74 cents each. Now the next item I picked up was the Crest with Scope, and that's going to be the 1-liter bottle. So I picked up this one right here. So these are buy one, get a $3 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So I picked up one of them for $5.49. I used a $1 off 1 coupon from our CVS app digital coupons, making the total $4.49, but you're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. So it worked out to be $1.49 after extra bucks. Now I combined the Colgate and the Scope deal together because I had a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, and that CRT worked with no issues. So the total before coupons is gonna be $12.47. The total after coupons is gonna be $9.97. I used a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, making the total $6.97, but you're gonna get back $7 in extra bucks. So you get back $3 for the Crest with Scope, and you get back $4 for the Colgate Total 3.4 ounce. So this worked out to be free after extra bucks. So really good deal if you guys have the 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. Now a 5 off of 3 became available on coupons.com. So if you wanted to do the deal with that, basically you're gonna pick up 3 of the Colgate Total at $3.49 each. It turns out to be $5 and some change, and you get back $4 in extra bucks if you wanted to do a deal like that. So that's a pretty good deal as well. Now the next deal is going to be on the Garnier Facial Care. So I picked up these 2 right here. So these are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I picked up one of the Marcella wipes for $7.59. And I picked up one of the purifying wipes for $6.99. I used a $2 off 1 coupon from coupons.com and a $2 off 1 coupon from our CVS app digital coupons. I had a $2 off Marcella CRT and a $3 off Garnier instant coupon that printed for all of us last week, or may I say on Friday. So on Friday, those became available in the Redbox Coupon Center. So the total worked out to $5.58, but you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So it worked out to 58 cents for both of them, or 29 cents each. Now the total before coupons for the first transaction is gonna be $66.09. The total after coupons was $21.10. And I got back $27 in extra bucks. Now let's move on to the second transaction. Okay, so for the first deal I did in my second transaction is going to be on the soft soap body wash. Again, These are ringing up regular price for $4.99, and the $5 extra buck is not printing out. So these are buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, and you can also pick up the Irish Spring if you wanted to pick that up. So these are on sale $3.99. I picked up 3 of them for $11.97. So I picked up these 3 right here. So I had 2 coupons, 2 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from softsoap.com, and I had 1 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. I had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, as well as a $3 off 3 soft soap body wash CRT. So the total worked out to $4.72, but you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a 28-cent moneymaker. So the next deal is going to be on Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick. They're on a promotion for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So I picked up 1 of the women's and 1 of the men's. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $6. I used 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. Some of you guys comment below that you got dollar off coupons, so that's a super sweet deal if you guys got dollar coupons for that. I had a $2 off 2 Speed Stick CRT, making the total $3, but you're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. So this worked out to be free after extra bucks. Now the next deal is going to be on the Tresemme 28 ounce. So I picked up these 2 right here. So these are on a promotion for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And they're on sale this week, 2 for $8. I had a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 15 RMN. Remember guys, those coupons expire today, so you can only use them today at CVS. I had a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT, making the total $1.50, but you're gonna get back a $2 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So if you have that 4 off of 2 coupon, definitely take advantage of this deal. I'm glad that I discussed it with you guys in my Get Ready With Me video, as well as my breakdown video I believe that I posted on Friday. So definitely prepare you guys to let you guys know that that coupon does expire today. Now the next deal is going to be on the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. So I picked up these 4 right here. And if you guys haven't tried this one right here, definitely try it because it is super, super amazing. So definitely try that out. It's a new product and they're on sale 2 for $8 as well. So spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. They're on sale 2 for $8. So I picked up 4 of them for $16. I used the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as a 3 off of 2 from coupons.com. Now, I didn't have the one for coupons.com, but I did have the one in our CVS app digital coupons, but those coupons are no longer available. So hopefully you guys got a chance to print them out when they were available and also send it to your card when it was available. So I had a 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT, making the total $6, but you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So this worked out to be $1 for all of them, or 25 cents each. Now the last deal I did in the second transaction is going to be on the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. So I picked up these 2 right here. And these are the only ones that the coupon includes that are on sale this week, 2 for $7. So they're on a promotion for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. And they're on sale 2 for $7. I used that 4 off of 2 coupon that came out today in our 119 RMN, making the total $3, but you're gonna get back a $4 extra buck. So this turned out to be free plus a $1 moneymaker. Now the total before coupons was $48.97, and the total after coupons was $18.22 for the second transaction, and I got back a total of $19 in extra bucks. Now I'm going to show you the overall spending for the first and second transaction, and this definitely became a super sweet moneymaker. So the total before coupons for the first transaction was $66.09. The total before coupons for the second transaction was $48.97. So that's a total of $115.06 before coupons. The total after coupons was $39.32. I wrote $39 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 32 cents. but you're gonna get back $46 in extra bucks. So I needed $28.04 to hit beauty. I have $76.64 worth of beauty items. So that's going to be all the makeup right here. The Garnier Fructis wipes, as well as the Tresemme, the L'Oreal, and the Garnier Fructis 1 minute hair mask. So that's $76.64. So I definitely hit beauty twice, making this free plus a $13 moneymaker. So I will get back a $6 beauty buck. So basically how I figured out it was a $13 moneymaker because I spent $39 in extra bucks for this, but I got back $46 in extra bucks, and I got back $6 in beauty bucks, making it free plus a $13 moneymaker. So there are some really good deals this week at CVS, especially a lot of beauty deals. So definitely take advantage of the beauty deals. I will bring back another video for the L'Oreal deal, the Revlon deal, and the Boost deal. And then I will bring you guys my second CVS haul where I'll have everything on there. So I'm definitely going to shop for this card tomorrow as well as my other card. So if you guys are new to couponing at CVS, hopefully you guys checked out my newbie in-store video where I give you guys 2 basic transactions that you guys can do. They're really easy and simple to follow, so make sure you check out that video. It's very slow, so it basically tells you everything you need to know before you go couponing at CVS, plus how much you're actually going to save at the end. So I believe it was a 75% savings at the end, and we only spent about $10 and some change. So make sure you check out that video. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.